Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another stash or trash video where we take a product, review it, and see if we're going to put it in the stash or trash it. We are doing another lash video today, magnetic lashes. This time around we are doing the Eylure London Promagnetic Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. These are foam ink lashes. We recently did a Moxie Lash stash or trash. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It ended up working wonderfully, and I was able to go online, the BoxyCharm website, when they had their Boxy pop-up thing where you can buy things for cheaper. They had two different styles that I saw of Moxie Lash, so I got the Bossy Lash, which is super dramatic. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about those, but I got them anyways because they were cheap. And then I also got the Classy Lash, which is a very simple, small, subtle lash that would be good for just super natural days. And then I also got the Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. This is originally $45. I know for sure, like on their website, the full sizes. And I got everything here under, I think it was $20. So I think that was pretty good. And I'm pretty happy about that. Again, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. So today we are testing the Eylure lashes instead because these are so much cheaper. You can buy them at the drugstore. You don't have to buy them online. I'm going to read the back instructions. So it says, step 1, apply 3 coats of liner across entire length of the lash line, which 3 coats seems like a lot to me, but that's okay. Like the Moxie Lash, this isn't a comparison video, but the Moxie Lash, you only had to do 1 coat of eyeliner, so that was really nice. The liner that this one came with though is a bit bigger. Then allow each layer to dry completely, then you just apply the lashes. Then it also says for best magnetism, build the liner up to be as thick as the lash band. And it also says if you want to remove the lashes to adjust them, reapply a coat before retouching. That's fine. Safe for daily wear, easy and gentle removal. This one also didn't come with a special makeup remover. Moxie Lash did. So I'm assuming you can just take it off with any old makeup remover and it'll be fine. This one you can get 15 wears out of, so that's pretty darn good too, I'd say. I've already got eyeliner all over my hands. So I did apply 2 coats already. I messed up on the recording, so I had to do the beginning all over again. But I do have 2 coats on. So far, this eyeliner, I will say, goes on extremely easy. The wand itself, when you take it out, it does look a little bit thicker, but I just wipe the excess off inside the rim and then it applies really easy. It hasn't gunked up on my lashes too bad. So far, so good. And I feel like it also doesn't take very long to dry in between coats. So we're gonna go in with our 3rd and final coat. I will zoom you in. Not that it's that interesting to watch me put on eyeliner, but here we go. I'm just trying to go right over top of everything I already put on and not make it thicker, but I keep making it thicker anyways on accident, so. Oh, yep, see, that was thicker. Okay, easy as that. Now I just gotta let it dry. Try not to look up and smear it all over my eyelids like I did last time. But I do really like how easy that is to apply. It just goes on really fast. And I know if you wanted to do a wing with it, it would be easy to do with that. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it even when it does dry down. I'm trying to look at the camera but also not look up yet. It does have a little bit of sheen to it. It's not completely matte, which I'm okay with. And it's gonna be covered by the lash band anyways, at least most of it, hopefully. It's definitely gunked up a little bit on the lashes. Okay, I think they are dry. So I am going to apply a small coat of mascara on first, and then we can apply the lashes. This is just gonna help blend my lashes with the magnetic lashes. Oh God, I hate that. I hate liquid eyeliner because when you put on mascara, it catches on the liquid eyeliner that gunked up on your lashes, and it like tugs at them. And it doesn't cover your lashes like it normally would. And I can't get it as well with how much it gunked up. It did gunk up a lot more than I thought, but it's right next to the base of the lashes more. Okay, now the biggest thing with these lashes, they seem a bit wider than like the Moxie lashes that I had. So it does have 4 magnets on it. And if I wanted to trim these, if I wanted to trim them, I would do so on the long end right here. The magnet is right at the end, so I would be missing, I would either have to cut it off right here basically, to get it to where the other magnet is at the end. And that just takes off too much. But if I took it off like right after the magnet, then the end of the lash wouldn't be sticking because there wouldn't be a magnet to hold on it. You know what I mean? So I am afraid that these are going to be too big for my eye shape. Yes, we will find out. So we should just be able to plop them on pretty easily. There we go. Now can I move them around? So they're not as bad. They're not as wide as I thought. I probably should have curled my lashes, but I don't even know where my lash curler is, so that's not bad, right? I feel like this style isn't my favorite. I don't know. What do you think? Do you like them? They went on super easy, so I mean, that's a plus. Way faster than it would have been if I would have applied regular falsies. Let's see how fast we can do the other one. Just plop. These ones also don't have as much of a clamp, I guess, like with the Moxie lashes. I'm sorry I'm comparing them so much, but those are the only other magnetic lashes I've used. You could really feel the magnets sticking to your eyelid with the Moxie lashes. But these ones, it's not as big of a clunk. You know what I mean? Yeah, these lashes do not go with my eye shape. And that one's not even down. I mean, I moved it around fine without having to reapply anything. Wow, that one's, now it's way too far out. Ooh, I just don't like the length of these. I think they're too long for my eye. Well, I'm just gonna pinch it actually to just try to make sure it's as close to my waterline, ouch, and my other lashes as they can be. These ones are a little uncomfortable too. Now that I smashed them towards my lash line, I can feel the magnets like on my lid. And this one isn't curving down at this end. Like it's kind of going straight in the inner corner. Oh, okay. So that's why they want you to do another coat. So when I pulled it off to readjust it, it pulled the liner off with it as well. You can see under this one, if I lift up the corner of the lash, the eyeliner is stuck to the magnet, but not to my eyelid anymore. Weird. I don't know, what do you think of this style? They're not as bad. Can't really shape it the way I want to with the magnets. The look of the lash isn't bad. It's just they're really wide for my eye. I can't shape them like I want to. They don't stick down as well. I can feel them on my eye. They're not heavy or anything by any means, but it is just every time I blink, I can feel the magnet and it is a little bit itchy. That being said, if it were a lash that I absolutely loved, if like this style worked really well on me, I would look past the itchiness, I guess. I feel like after a little bit, it wouldn't bug me. I guess the more I look at them, the more I like them, except it's just the inner corner that I need to fix and it wouldn't be so bad. Yeah, they're not bad. They're not terrible. I like them. And especially for the price. And if you just want something fast, like that was really fast. The eyeliner in between coats, to even just do 3 coats of it, it didn't take that long to apply, to let dry, apply another one. I would still be applying my false lashes without magnets. So if this is a style that you know you would like, definitely try them out. I'm sure they have more styles. I bought these a really long time ago at Ulta when like magnetic lashes were first becoming a big thing. I just had them stowed away, kind of forgot about them. So I don't know, I'm happy with them. I feel like if I played around with them a little bit more and got used to being able to manipulate them and maybe put them on my eye exactly where I wanted them to be the first time, then I wouldn't have had as many issues. And the issues that I had aren't even that bad. Like for me to fix this, I feel like would be really fast, whereas for me to fix a regular lash would take a long time. I'd say it's pretty good. I would stash it. I think I would stash it, yeah. I would definitely prefer the Moxie lashes over these ones, but these ones are a heck of a lot cheaper and you can get your hands on them a lot easier. So if you're in a crunch, if you just want to try them out, go for it. These corners just keep lifting up a whole lot, but I really think that's because I pulled them off and tried to manipulate them. Other than that, they're not horrible. Not horrible at all. I don't know, you guys, let me know what you think about them. Let me know what you want me to try out next for the stash or trash. Otherwise, that is it for today, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.